Good morning, class. Today we are beginning with third unit, that plant physiology part. Chapter number is 6 and it is seed structure and germination. In this chapter, syllabus is for fruit and seed, that definition and significance. You should know what is the importance of fruit and seed, structure of dicot and monocot seed, germination, types and conditions, then structure and germination of bean seed and maize grain, these two, because one is dicot seed and another one is monocot seed. Both we have to do, then differences we have to do. So what is a seed? Before we talk about the germination of seed, it would be appropriate to refresh your knowledge that what is the actual meaning of these terms, that is fruit, seed and grain. Fruit is the enlarged ripened ovary, we have done in previous chapter. Ripened ovary makes the fruit, and seed is formed from the ovule. So ovarian wall forming the fruit wall which encloses the seed, and fruit function is it protects the seed and helps in seed dispersal. Examples are mango, pea pods. Seed is the ripened ovule. Okay, fruit is ripened ovary, enlarged ripened ovary, and seed is the ripened ovule, and it contains an embryo which develops into a new plant. Seed coat protects the embryo from mechanical damage. This is function of seed coat. You have to mark mechanical damage. And grain, that is actually a fruit in which fruit wall and the seed coat are fused together to form a protective layer. I hope you remember. Ovarian wall forms the fruit wall, and seed coat is obtained from two integuments, okay, which were covering the ovule. So grain is where fruit wall and seed coat are fused together, and which is a protective layer. Examples are maize, wheat, etc. Now more about seed. It is a mature ovule after fertilization, and it contains a tiny living plant, the embryo, which is developed from fused sperm nucleus and egg nucleus. You remember double fertilization process which we have done. So embryo. Now the embryo consists of a radicle, that is future root, plumule, that is a future shoot, and cotyledons or the seed leaves, that is future leaves. And embryo remains in an inactive, that is dormant, or means inactive stage only we call, but upon exposure to favorable conditions it germinates. Seed may also contain endosperm, which is the food material for nourishment of the embryo during germination. Now seed can withstand or face or can live in unfavorable conditions of temperature, drought, etc. And some seeds are known to remain dormant, that is inactive, dormant even up to 100 years or more. So that is called as dormancy period, for which every seed before germination passes through certain duration of inactive stage, that is called as dormancy, and that is variable in seed to seed. Some are dormant for 100 years. Now classification and structure of seed. See, some seeds are so small that they are barely visible to the naked eyes, like poppy, strawberry, and some are quite large as in mango, plum, etc. And largest seeds are of coconut and double coconut. Size, structure and shape of seeds of different plants vary considerably, but basic structure is same. So types of seeds are of two. These you have to learn. Albuminous or endospermic, means which are having albumin or endosperm in them. In such seeds, cotyledons are thin. So you remember, function of cotyledon as well as endosperm is to supply food to the growing embryo. So if endosperm is developed, then they are not having well developed cotyledons, because function of storage of food is performed by endosperm. And those who are having non-endospermic, then they are having cotyledons which store the food and become thick and fleshy. So both the examples you need to learn, monocot albuminous seeds as well as dicot albuminous seeds. Here also X albuminous, you have to learn monocot X albuminous seeds and dicot X albuminous seeds. Their examples, monocot albuminous seeds are cereals, millets and palm, while dicot albuminous seeds are poppy and custard apple. This side, X albuminous, monocot X albuminous seeds are vallisneria, orchids, amorphophallus. Dicot X albuminous seeds are gram, pea, bango and mustard, etc.